You don't have to fear what's coming next. Do you ever worry about what tomorrow might bring? Listen to these words of encouragement to help you face each new day with peace and joy, knowing that every tomorrow is in God's hands and leads you one step closer to glory. You don't have to fear what's coming next. Brought to you by Wot Ye Ministry. Life moves fast. We all wonder what's waiting around the corner. Will tomorrow be good or bad? Will things get better or worse? In a world that changes every day, it's easy to feel worried or unsure. Many people try to plan their future, control every detail, and avoid surprises. But no matter how hard we try, we can't see tomorrow. God, however, already knows every moment. Proverbs 27 verse 1 warns us, "Boast not thyself of tomorrow, for thou knowest not what a day may bring forth." That doesn't mean tomorrow is something to fear. It means we shouldn't trust in ourselves or make proud plans as if we rule the future. Instead, we should trust the one who holds the future, our Lord. If you are a child of God, you don't need to fear what's ahead. Romans 8 verse 28 reminds us, "And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God." That includes every tomorrow, even the hard ones, even the confusing ones. God is never surprised. He doesn't guess. He writes every chapter of your life with perfect wisdom and love. Psalm 31 verse 15 says, "My times are in thy hand." Every hour, every tomorrow is in his control. That gives you freedom to rest. Instead of dreading what's next, you can look forward with peace. Not because you know what's coming, but because you know who is already there. God is good. His plans are good. And each new day brings you closer to heaven. Philippians 1 verse 21 says, "For to me to live is Christ, and to die is gain." That means no matter what tomorrow holds, it cannot take away your true joy. So what should we do about tomorrow? Don't boast. Don't fear. Trust God. Leave today in faith and greet tomorrow with calm joy. Whether it brings trials or blessings, it will carry the stamp of God's hand. Like gold refined in fire, your trials will work for your good, shaping you into his image. Jesus said in Matthew 6 verse 34, "Take therefore no thought for the morrow shall take thought for the things of itself." Today is enough. Trust him with today and with every tomorrow. Thanks for listening. If this message gave you peace or reminded you that your future is safe with God, don't keep it to yourself. Like it, share it with someone who needs that same hope, and subscribe to Wot Ye Ministry for more truth that lifts your heart and fixes your eyes on eternity.